it's been a hot minute since I filmed the video because honestly I've been doing nothing but like housework, getting ready for school to start, and just like a bunch of random things that weren't really interesting, so I didn't vlog them. But I'm about to get back on the vlogging schedule because today is Friday and I have a busy day today, really busy day tomorrow. Pretty much every day is busy till Christmas. So I wanted to just talk to you guys while I got ready. I have a hair appointment at 12:30. It's only 10 o'clock right now, but I'm gonna get started cleaning my house. Anyway, I'll talk all about that while I'm getting ready. This is what my hair looks like fresh out of the shower with like nothing in it. And because I usually use like a leave-in conditioner and stuff and like really focus on keeping my hair like moisturized because curly hair is super dry. It's gonna be horrible when it dries, so luckily I'm just gonna go to the hair salon first after I clean my house, or get some of my house clean. And Aaron was out of town last night for work, so just me and the dogs. And luckily I slept really good. Like, I normally sleep fine when he's gone, but sometimes the dogs know, like, oh, Dad's not here, so I need to be on like extra alert, and so they'll like bark at anything. And they actually did really good last night, so finally slept good, because this week I feel like I have not slept good in a long time. Like, slept solidly through the night. But last night was good. So, but Aaron will be back tonight, and I think we're going to go drive around and look at Christmas lights, because we haven't done anything Christmassy, like, as a family. We're going to take the dogs, because we've been so busy, and Aaron's work schedule, you know, as y'all know, is, like, crazy. We, like, never know what it's going to be, and it changes every week. What are you eating? Kaleigh, what are you eating? Oh, come here. No. Thank you. I don't know where you even get that. So I'm just going to do quick makeup today. I just like to feel a little more put together, especially since my hair is going to look like a hot mess. Might as well do something to my face. Okay, so tomorrow's Saturday, and, well, actually my brother flies in tonight. I haven't seen him since August. He's been on a lot of my vlogs before. He was in my last Christmas vlog, and but he moved to Florida, so he's flying in tonight later, but I won't see him till tomorrow probably. We're going to my mom's in the morning for like a brunch thing. We're gonna have like mimosas and pancakes and stuff and see him. And then we're gonna take some family pictures, because we haven't had family pictures done in a long time. Like, it's been since my wedding. My little brother has grown so much, and we just want to like get some good family pictures, especially since Grant's going to be in town. So that is the plan for tomorrow, and then we have another family event we're going to in the afternoon. And then, let's see, Sunday is when everybody from my family is coming into my house. My aunt, uncle, and cousin are coming in, which I am so excited. My aunt's been on my channel before, and I just love her to death. Like, we have so much fun together. She is just so fun to be around. So I'm so excited that they're going to be here for Christmas this year. So we're doing like a fiesta themed dinner at my house. So I'm gonna make enchiladas, and we're gonna have like chips and queso, Spanish rice, like all that stuff, refried, oh my gosh, why can I not say refried? Refried beans. And then I think I'm gonna make like a kind of festive drink for us to have. So I gotta get groceries for that probably tomorrow. So I got a lot going on, and then Monday's Christmas Eve, which we really don't have that much going on except like a Christmas Eve service at church. And then Christmas. So yeah, the next few days are going to be really crazy. This week has been really crazy. I literally have been going all week. Like, I haven't had one day at home to do anything, like get my house clean. So that's why we're cleaning my house today, because it's literally the only day I have to clean it before I have people over. And it is a mess. Like, it's not like dirty, it's just cluttered. And I can't stand that. Like, if you know me, I cannot stand clutter and stuff out. But I haven't had a chance to do it. Like, I haven't been home. Every day this week I've been out. Oh, and I also got a new car. Yeah. So I'll show you guys that when I vlog going to the hair salon. Yeah, it's really nice. It's not new, but it's new to me, and I'm so excited about it. It's going to be so nice to drive downtown every day for school, because my other car, I had a really nice car, but it was a little bit older, had a lot of miles on it, and it didn't get nearly as good of gas mileage as my new car does, and that's important to me. But that was a long process this week and stuff. I mean, it's literally been crazy. That's why I haven't vlogged. It wouldn't have been that entertaining. So yeah, I'm just gonna do quick makeup. I've been using my CYO foundation. I cannot like stop using that. That's probably my only foundation I'm ever going to use from here on out. Because I have really dry skin and it just looks so nice on. Like it looks so fresh and healthy and it doesn't break me out, so that's good. For the price, what is it, like $7 normally, and you can always get it on a discount. I love it. I wish CYO was sold in my store though, because I have to order it and I wish I could just like go pick it up when I ran out. I finished my last little bit of Christmas shopping yesterday. I had to order something from my mom, and luckily it's like guaranteed to be here by New Year's. Oh my gosh. Like guaranteed to be here by Christmas Eve, thank goodness, because I was getting really worried. But it'll be here, and then let's see, what else do we have? I really don't have that much for the dogs for Christmas. I know that's not a big deal, but to me it's a big deal. Like last year, we went all out, and if you haven't seen our Christmas vlog from last year, it was so cute. I'm so glad I filmed it because Aaron and I sat down and watched it last year, and there's just like so many things we forgot about, and like how little Hickory was because we got him on the 23rd of December 23rd last year. So I'll link that down below, but we watched it from last year, and it was just so fun. So I'm definitely going to be vlogging all day Christmas Day here. Kaleigh, get out of the trash, please. And last year we got him like, well, they don't need a new bed this year, but we got him a new bed last year, a ton of toys and stuff, but honestly, like, they just tear up their toys so fast, and it just kind of seems like a waste. But we did get him, we got the boys new matching leashes and collars because Hadley already has one, and then I bought Hadley a Christmassy looking hedgehog because I don't know why that dog loves anything that's a hedgehog toy. You give her a hedgehog and she's in heaven. I'm using this new Becca bronzer. This is what it looks like. It's got shimmer in it. It's called Sunrise Waves, but I love this stuff. Like, it doesn't look shimmery on my skin. It just makes me look like a healthy glow, and it is kind of intense, so then I'll go in and just kind of blend it out with my sponge and tone it down. Like, it makes such a huge difference. Ugh, my hair is starting to get so frizzy. I'm gonna go in with my pearlescent pink. Look at this, so janky. Blush from Wet n Wild. I love this one. Also has a little bit of shimmer in it. I hate going to the hair salon and sitting in that chair while they make my hair look worse before they make it look better, because, you know, it's curly hair, so you have to make it kind of look worse before you can, like, make it look good. It's horrible. I used to go to this salon and they would not cut my hair. This is when I was younger. I didn't know any better. They would not wet my hair before they'd cut it, so they would cut curly hair dry, which I know some people, like the diva cuts, they sometimes will do that. Like, they'll cut it a little bit before when it's dry, but they still wash you out and then cut it again. This girl, I don't know, it was like this little salon in this little town, and she put me in the chair and cut my hair dry, first of all, and then after she cut it dry, she brushed it out. And if you have curly hair, you know you don't brush curly hair, like, ever, especially when you're getting it cut and it's dry. Like, what? Oh my gosh, it was horrible. My favorite highlighter that I will always swear by is the Casey Holmes Smashbox collab. As you can see, I've hit pan on all three. They're my favorite highlighters in this world. I don't think it was technically like a limited edition because they still sell the Spotlight palettes, but they don't sell them with her name on it, which I think is kind of rude. But I don't think I'm gonna get that much off my hair, but I haven't had a haircut in 6 months. 6 months. If you have curly hair, I cannot go that long. So I don't know how I made it 6 months, but like, this is long for me. Like, it used to be down here, and then they cut it really, really short last time. So it grew a decent amount in the 6 months, because normally my hair goes out, not down, you know? We'll see how it looks after today. Hopefully it looks good after I leave the salon, because sometimes they don't put enough product in it, or I leave and it frizzes as soon as I step outside. I've never used a Juvia's Place palette in my life before, and I've been like looking at their palettes, and I just bit the bullet and bought one at Ulta. They're only 20 bucks, really affordable. And I bought the Warrior palette because I really want the Warrior 2. And I was like, okay, well, I'll get a feel for it before I order it online. I mean, look at how stunning these are. I know it looks so boring to most people, but this is like my zone. Like, I don't really go outside this zone too much. But let me just show you some swatches of these shimmers on my arm. Okay, this one, like, they're the softest shadows. Like, there it is on my finger, and then, I mean, look at at that. It is so pretty. I know it's hard to see. I'm just gonna do light eyeshadow today because I want to play with this palette. Oh, look at this. I haven't like sat down and just talked to the camera in a long time. Oh, Huckleberry. Are you sleeping, boy? The difference mascara makes will always boggle my mind because I'm obsessed with mascara. That is normally what I'll just do for like everyday makeup because I don't do a lot on the eyes. I like a full complexion, especially with that CYO foundation. It's so light, but it's so good. Also, I've been trying to find a good natural deodorant that works. I'm trying out this one right now. It looks really funny, like the packaging's weird. But it's supposed to have like no aluminum. It's all natural mineral deodorant. I don't know, I haven't tried mineral deodorants before, but I'm trying this one out. So if you have any good suggestions on natural deodorants, because I want to stop using ones that have aluminum and parabens and all that stuff in it, let me know. I'm gonna set my face really quick. This stuff feels amazing. If you need last minute stocking stuffers, yeah, it's just Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. You have to have this. That was a long intro to this vlog, but I am about to start cleaning my house before I have to leave for my hair appointment. So I'm just gonna let you guys like watch me clean because I like to watch cleaning videos. And you can see how frizzy this hair gets while I clean. Okay guys, so I just made it to my hair appointment. My appointment is literally right now, but I wanted to show you guys before the haircut. Super frizzy, so I'm excited to get a cut, but I will be back here in an hour to show you guys what my hair looks like. Okay, I'm out of the salon. My hair is a little bit shorter, still looks frizzy because she didn't like rinse it. Like she kept styling it, so it just made it frizzy, but I just will redo it when I get home and show you guys, but it feels a lot lighter. It's just not how I would necessarily style it myself, but I feel a lot better and I'm glad I got my hair cut for family pictures tomorrow. So it's 1:14. I think I'm gonna run into Target because I need to get a few stocking stuffers for Aaron and the dogs, or I don't know. I have a few errands and then I'm gonna go home and finish cleaning my house because it is still a wreck and I have so much more to do.
without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the